welcome back to the channel. This is Veronica and I am Ryan, and we're back on the road again.
Yes, we are on our way to California.
Feels good to be back on the road. A bit of a travel day, and then we're gonna stop at stay the night over at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, and then we're gonna go over to downtown Disney for dinner at the Grand California Hotel,
which we've never ate there before either.
So that'll be nice.
A lot of new places.
Yeah, we're now in Yuma, Arizona. It was a little bit of about the halfway point, a little bit more than half way to go. So. It's going to be about another 4.5 hours or so for us, but for you guys, it'll be a few seconds. We'll see you at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. Dang LA traffic.
Took a little bit.
Yeah, we made it, but we got here right in the heart of rush hour. So.
Yeah, we got here. Yeah.
I'm exhausted.
It's in the evening, so it's so nice when you finally check into your hotel.
I know, right?
So for the night, we're staying at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel.
Yeah, and
so
we're not going to go too in depth here.
Yeah.
This is really just home for the night before we go on to our main event tomorrow.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
But we'll give you guys a quick little tour on our way out to dinner.
Yeah. So once you walk in, straight
front
to the
door
right.
here, by the way.
Yeah, the front door. And
this is a pretty standard, like run-of-the-mill hotel. Nothing too fancy, but it's pretty nice for.
It's just for us to stay for the night.
I think it was like $100 a night. So.
Oh, that's not bad. Here's your sink. I like the little toiletries here. So you have your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, soap, and makeup remover.
There you go. Hair dryer there. Closet. We have we have some hangers, some garment bags safe on the wall.
Yeah.
Got a luggage rack, and then an iron board, some shelving, and then the bathroom behind you there. Sorry for the lighting. These LED lights always cause issues with the frame rate.
But yeah, you have your one toilet here, plenty of towels, and then your shower.
Not too bad.
Yeah, and then straight across from the door is pretty open. One big room here.
Not too bad. I think this one's looks like a king size bed.
I was gonna say, yeah, I think this is a king size bed. I like the little artwork.
Yeah, Knott's Berry Farm.
We haven't been to that. Well, I haven't been to that park before.
I went years ago.
Reminds me of Six Flags.
Sierra Sidewinder.
And
then your pretty standard stuff.
Dresser, ice bucket, coffee. I'm used to a Keurig machine, so I'm like, oh God, do I remember how to do this?
Yeah, the standard dresser there. Drawers and whatnot.
Yeah,
and
plenty of room to put your clothes away, but again, we're only here one night.
Let me see, we got outlets on the lamp. That's nice.
That's what I like, yeah.
A couple outlets there.
And on the same with the nightstands too.
Same with the nightstands.
Yeah.
No USBs, but that is fine.
That's fine.
You got an adjoining door. And then not a bad view.
We have the pool view here. Plenty of chairs, and then they have like a little what is that?
Like a splash pad. I mean, that's
about
about it.
Wraps it up. For
nice
our
big
room
old
tour.
big size chair there.
I know. I wonder if this pulls out too. Probably not. Oh, it does.
It is a little pull out. Looks like a little pull out twin. There you go.
Yeah, it's a pull out.
There we go.
There you go.
So, plan is, I think we're gonna go grab. Well, I don't think we are. We have reservations for 8:15 at the Grand California Hotel Craftsman Bar. Nice poolside bar and grill.
Gonna go hang out at downtown Disney for a bit.
I'm treating her to a little birthday shopping. We're gonna go see what we can find down there. So yeah, we'll see you guys at dinner.
All right.
Room 404 down here at the end of the hall. Let's check out the lobby a little bit too.
Yeah.
Make a left from the elevators, and then you got the lobby out here.
The lobby's nice.
And the Amber Waves restaurant is there to the left. I don't think we'll be checking that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy, but not bad at all.
Not bad at all. No.
This is the pool right back here.
Oh yeah.
And then we're looking from the 4th floor this direction, and the park there is just north. All right, time to get on the road again. It's been a little bit. We gotta get reacquainted.
Yeah.
Oh, Star Wars Trading Post. So that's new since
I was like, I don't
since the
remember
last time we were here. Remember when that was a Rainforest Cafe?
What?
Yeah, they turned that into
away?
a Trading Post. Did they ever reopen this monorail station?
Doesn't look open.
I know, right? That's where we ate last time we came here, the Ralph
I
Brennan's
feel like
Jazz
that's
Kitchen.
the only place I've ate at downtown Disney.
Is it? No, we've eaten over here at Tortilla Joe's. It's been a little bit. I think that is our entrance up that way. To the right there, see? There's the entrance to Grand California Hotel.
Oh, perfect. So
So this is the lobby.
Fancy.
I know.
And then this way. It's been a while since I've been here. I forget how nice it is.
Yeah. Maybe next time she'll stay here.
Yeah.
That's cool. Gotta check that out later.
I think we're getting close.
Okay.
I see a pool. And I know we're poolside. It was a mad rush to get in here, but we got in time. And then of course they got live music and they started playing our wedding song.
This is our first dance.
This is our first dance song, yeah.
Can't help falling in love, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did the version from Beck.
Yeah.
Nice little spot. Let's see. There's a poolside over there. Get the bar back there. Some live music going on back that way. This is like a good way to set the vacation. You know, get started like poolside, have a nice cocktail,
Yeah.
a couple appetizers. In case we didn't already mention, we're celebrating Veronica's birthday. She just had her birthday a few days ago, and this is our little treat to Veronica for her
Yeah,
birthday.
my birthday was 3 days ago.
So, scan the QR code there. And what do we have? A bunch of specialty cocktails. Pineapple ginger margarita, prickly pear rosé, Bloody Mary, cucumber spritz, vanilla mango mule. I feel like that might be up your alley. Vanilla mango mule,
That does seem interesting.
banana daiquiri, grand
I
mai
was like,
tai,
Brian, what do you think I'm gonna like the most?
passion fruit mojito. You don't like mojitos. Coffee,
They're
chai
okay.
latte. They got draft beer, bottled beer, wine. See, they got a poke bowl, avocado panzanilla. We got baked nachos. I heard those ones are good. The nachos. Carnitas quesadilla, impossible meatballs and marinara sauce, Mediterranean Wagyu burger, mole poblano chicken wings. That sounds good. Mole poblano. Bulgogi beef skewers rice bowl. That sounds good. Korean beef. Shawarma chicken skewers, flat iron steak romaine salad, seared salmon salad, and hot dog of the month.
Maybe I'll try that vanilla mango mule. You know.
Vanilla mango mule.
Yeah.
That one sounded good.
Yeah. Different.
And then I just get an IPA. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This does feel like when we're at Aulani,
Yeah.
sitting poolside.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't seen those videos, we'll link those up above. Food should be out soon too. We just ordered. Food has arrived. There's the charcuterie pizza. It's like
Smells really
got
good.
arugula, tomato, a bunch of different meats and cheese.
Yeah.
Poke bowl, tuna, edamame, rice, cucumber, and then green onion, furikake, rice, and then I forgot what the sauce is. Looks good though. Let's dig in. We gave it our best shot.
finished
No, yeah, almost. We gave it our best shot.
Kidding.
It's such
very
a
filling.
it's very good, but it's also very like rich and filling.
Yeah.
So
It's really good though.
poke bowl was good. So maybe we'll walk around a little bit, and then I think we're gonna go probably do a little bit of shopping. I think we'll kind of spare you guys. I don't think we'll give a full tour of all that, but I know there's plenty of people out there that show all the new merchandise and
Yeah.
whatnot. So, but if we end up picking anything up, we'll show you
show
guys,
you.
and
Yeah.
then that's that. So that was a good dinner though.
It was.
Filling.
It was really.
It's a good birthday dinner.
It was.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
It was.
Yeah, I can't get over the lobby here.
I know. I really want to look at this thing, the Star
what's going
Wars.
on here? It's like a recreation of what's it? Batu? Bless you.
What?
Oh, wait.
200 pounds powdered sugar?
It's food.
That's food?
Yeah, created by the in-house Disney culinary team. 200 pounds of powdered sugar, 32 pounds crisp rice cereal, 60 pounds marshmallows, 30 pounds butter, 60 pounds of white fondant, da 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 da. Some good detail on that.
I know.
And then like all the rock work, is that all That's gotta be, right?
I think it's all made of food.
It's still here from May the 4th. I think that's what this is for.
Oh, really? Wow, this is impressive.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
That was fun. I'm gonna head back out to downtown Disney.
Yeah.
Go do some shopping.
Do some shopping.
Part of Veronica's birthday gift this year, I gave her a little custom gift certificate.
It was funny because he made me a custom gift certificate for downtown Disney.
I'm a graphic designer, so naturally, you know.
And I thought it was legit, so I was like, I gotta pack this. And then he's like, it's not legit.
I mean, you can present it, but then they just be like, well, that's
we cannot
cute.
accept that.
Right. All right, let's go spend my money.
All right.
Made a decision.
I know, it took me a bit.
You had success at the home store. You got yourself a tumbler, right?
Yeah.
And then found a backpack you like, so we'll get that after.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys the haul later.
Yeah.
For those that are interested.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see if we can hear the electrical parade. They brought it back. And they just recently brought it back, so.
Like right after we went to Disneyland.
Right? Bring back a lot of memories. 50 years, huh? This is as close as we can get. I'm surprised we couldn't even like see this much, you know?
I know.
I'm running on fumes here, so I think we're gonna go to World of Disney.
Get
and
the
you
last
picked
thing,
out, yeah, you picked out
thing I want, and then we'll head back.
Picked out a backpack, and then
Yeah.
it's time to head back. And then tomorrow, big day, embarkation day.
Yeah. So stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned. Everything you hoped for and more.
Yes. That was everything I imagined.
Got your haul.
Yeah.
We're gonna make our way back to the hotel, and then we will show you guys her haul, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys back at the hotel.
All right.
Made it back. Look at that time, 12 o'clock. What a day. What'd you get?
So I got my very first Loungefly Disneyland backpack.
Nice.
Yeah, and it has pockets on the side. So I can try to fit a water bottle. Just kidding.
Right.
It's not gonna fit. But this is cute. I like it. And then I got, this is from Starbucks, a nice little tumbler. So it's like kind of like a indigo.
Yeah.
This is gonna be interesting to wash, but I really like the color. So it has the Starbucks logo here, and then on the back it says Disneyland.
Nice.
So
See that in the white.
yeah,
Cool. Nice little taste of Disney there. I'm sure you're quite satisfied, huh?
I was.
Unfortunately, not too early of a morning tomorrow, but we do have a check-in at 11 a.m. We're gonna be boarding our next adventure. We have not done a cruise on this channel before, so something new. We have done one cruise together before. She's done a couple others, but looking forward to it. Hope you guys are looking forward to it as well. Big day tomorrow, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.